That's me. 1 year ago, I got the opportunity to not only drive but to launch my absolute dream car. In my opinion, one of the best sounding cars in the whole wide world, the infamous Audi RS3. And this is one of those days that you can't forget. Truly a very awesome experience, all thanks to House of Havoc. So in today's video, I'll get another opportunity to drive the new dream car, the Audi R8. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven SA. In today's video, I'll finally be able to drive in my dream car, the Audi R8. This car is owned by Jagru, absolutely legend of a man. So in today, we'll take a spin with the car, we'll do some drive-bys with the car and just have some fun. Like I said, this has been one of my dream cars, the Audi RS3. I drove it before, never driven in a Audi R8 yet. So today will be the day. This car is absolutely insane. So let's get it. Cool.
Hi, I'm Jacques. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. I'm 25 years old. I am a marine engineer. I work on a private $80 million super yacht as second engineer. That's me.
Yes, bro. I told the viewers about the story about the car being at local garage, and I couldn't find the owner, but yeah, finally got you by the name of your number plate, bro.
Exactly. that was the idea. Link it to Instagram. So yeah, I'm glad we managed to link up.
Chuck, awesome, man. Tell us a bit more about the car.
Okay, so it's a 2015 Audi R8, 4.2 liter V8 FSI Quattro S-tronic. It's a bit of a mouthful. I've dreamt of having an Audi R8 since I was a kid. You know, I used to have my wallpaper on my computer used to be an Audi R8, and when I had the opportunity to purchase this one, which I bought up in Johannesburg, I jumped at it and drove it down, and now it's my daily driver in Cape Town. So spend my time here in South Africa about half the year, and this is the car I'm driving around.
Wow, bro, epic stuff. And what mods did you do to the car at the moment, John?
So the engine is pretty much stock. It's still naturally aspirated. I have thought about twin turbos, but they are very expensive on this car. I believe about 400k for a kit. So what I've done is I've got a top speed Pro F1 exhaust, which I shipped in from America. It's a straight pipe titanium X pipe. I did the install myself in my garage, and yeah, it was quite a cool little project, taking the whole back of the car off basically to access the clip-on points for the new exhaust. So that was a cool project. On top of that, I mounted a very aggressive V10 style wing. I also did that myself and reinforced the stock spoiler slightly because it was a little bit flimsy. And then the last mod I did was the honeycomb grille on the front, just to make it look a bit more like the V10, and that's about it. Other than that, it's pretty much stock and has plenty of power. Really, I don't feel myself needing to do much more to it. Yes. So yeah, it's loads of fun.
Oh, yeah, bro. See, this is obviously one of my dream cars. I've been an Audi fan for quite some time, and like I said, I've driven the RS3 before, I've driven the RS5 before. What's it like owning an R8, bro?
It is, it's pretty amazing. It's a pretty special car, and there are not many around, so it does really get a lot of attention, which I didn't quite expect when I bought the car. Obviously, now that it's straight piped, it draws even more attention just because people hear it coming from, you know, miles away. So it is pretty cool to see how happy people get when they see the car, and it does get a lot of people really hyped up, which is nice to see. And yeah, no, it's amazing. It's so nice to drive. And yeah, every time I see it in the garage, I'm like, holy shit, do I actually own this thing? So yeah.
Oh, bro. No, Jock, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to being able to film your car.
No, it's a pleasure.
And, yeah, I'm sure we'll have some fun with this car right now. And yeah,
definitely happy to be on the channel. Thanks for having me.
Alright guys, so we are in the R8 and geez, this thing is absolutely mental. Yeah, bro. Ah, that downshifts flipping hell. Bro. This is heaven, bro. Can go right here? Oh guys, have a look at this. Hell, guys. Ah, this is insane. Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. Oh my God.
Yeah, so put
it in first here.
Put your foot on the brake,
yeah,
and then now it's in auto. Okay. And then as soon as you start touching the paddles, it will
I'll most probably not do it manually. Guys, so this is one of those moments that's not describable or indescribable. I'm finally driving to one of my dream cars, guys. My foot is like literally 5% on the throttle. I'm not even using the throttle and we're going. Oh, that straight bike just does funny things. I saw some flames coming out when you revved it, bro. Yes, that's crazy.
I haven't seen any before, but I guess I'm always behind the steering wheel. So.
And it's daylight. It's not even nighttime.
Yeah.
guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm driving my dream car, Audi R8. This is insane. This is what we live for, guys. Dreams on dreams coming true, man. Jesus Christ. Damn, bro. Epic, guys. Epic. Weer? Wow, maar ik draai. En dat is omdraai.
Ja, sta je voor je.
Oké, of ik zal maar net hier staan.
Oké.
Can I stand in front of my car? Yeah.
Yeah.
The throttle response is absolutely crazy, bro. It's obviously naturally aspirated.
Yeah.
So that thing, you touch the throttle, but you wait for the turbos to kick in. This is just from the start.
Yeah, no, it's
How do I put him in reverse?
so just there.
Just want to go back a little bit. Neutral is up.
Just there.
There.
Yeah.
Can I give it some baby revs? Bro, this is crazy. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. If you came up until this point, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit us with the like, comment down below where you guys are watching from, and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. We are aiming to get to 30,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and then we just move on from there. Yeah guys, I enjoyed myself today. It was a blessing. It was one of those experiences that you won't ever forget in your life. And I don't know if you guys noticed the children in the video at the end. So they were there the whole time, or most of the time during the video, and that was for me the highlight. Not being able to drive this car, but the fact that there were children that enjoy themselves. I'm just reflecting on my childhood when I was smaller or younger, remembering those highlights of my life where you saw a supercar or you saw something nice and you enjoyed it. And for me to see the smiles on their faces was absolutely priceless. And this is why we do what we do, to be able to bring such a car to that location, to my hometown, and giving people the opportunity to experience that car firsthand. And I'm sure that will
print a memory in their brains for quite a long time. And like I told the other dude the last time, the reason I also do what I do is because I was once a child, and I remember how it feels like to to experience these type of things. So I'm truly blessed, and not only did one of my dreams came through by driving this car, but there were 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 children having the time of their lives, watching how the car gets revved up and driven, flybys and stuff like that. Obviously we're doing it in the safest way possible, but at the end of the day it's all about them enjoying themselves. And yeah, on that note, guys, if you want to support the channel, make sure you make use of the super thanks, giving us a like, commenting. That is massive support to the channel. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, we weren't able to do a outro at that location because Jog was on his way to Cape Town and I was on my way to another event, so we couldn't do a outro there. So we just left from there and I came home. But yeah, Jog, to you, thank you so much for making this possible. And thank you for allowing me to drive the car. Thank you for putting the smiles on that children's faces. That was the highlight of the day. On that bombshell, that's it for today's video. Stick around for more videos and let's go.